Have you ever wondered why you get goosebumps even when it's not cold? It's not just the chill in the air. Welcome to Science Simplified, where today we dive into the curious case of human goosebumps. First, let's set the context. Picture this. You're sitting in a warm room, wrapped in a cozy blanket, and suddenly you hear your favourite song. As the melody flows, a shiver runs down your spine, and you feel those tiny bumps rising on your skin. These little bumps are known as goosebumps, or scientifically piloerection, usually a telltale sign of cold, but here it's triggered by something entirely different: emotion and music. Here's where our main content unfolds. Goosebumps are a remnant of our evolutionary past. Let's introduce Charlie, a 20-something college student, who's wondering how these eternal goosebumps are still useful. The answer lies in understanding how our ancestors, without cozy sweaters and heaters, stayed warm. When early humans felt cold, the tiny muscles at the base of each hair follicle would contract, causing hair to stand up and trap heat, essentially forming an insulating layer. With evolution, human body hair thinned out, but the reaction stayed. We often think of this response purely linked to temperature, but it's got emotional roots too. Enter Amy, a researcher in psychophysiology who is fascinated by the emotional context of goosebumps. Amy's goal is to uncover why certain songs or thrilling moments in movies cause the same reaction. As she explains in her research, she found that when individuals experience a strong emotion, such as awe, excitement, or nostalgia, it can activate the sympathetic nervous system. This is the same system that kicks in during a fight or flight response. That intense rush of adrenaline can trigger goosebumps, very similar to how it happens when you're cold. Charlie's interest peaks as he recalls moments when he experienced goosebumps. So, he asks Amy, are goosebumps like an emotional thermometer? Amy nods, elaborating that they not only reflect physical sensations, but also the power of human emotions to manifest physically. During the story, we also meet Emma, Amy's colleague, who shares an intriguing experiment. Imagine you are watching a breathtaking orchestral performance, Emma says, describing how she monitored participants' reactions to music they found moving. The test revealed that certain climactic points in the music, like a dramatic crescendo, caused almost all participants to develop goosebumps. It's like the body's way of signaling that something significant is happening, Emma notes with enthusiasm. As we weave through these characters' stories, the emotional arc becomes clear. From Charlie's initial curiosity to the scientific revelations shared by Amy and Emma, we see a transformation in understanding. Goosebumps, once thought to be a mere reminder of chilly air, emerge as powerful responses connecting us to both our prehistoric past and our present emotional states. The takeaway? Next time you experience goosebumps, remember it's not just about the temperature. Goosebumps are a sophisticated body reaction, meant to signal more than just physical cold. Emotions, memories, or even a simple melody can evoke this fascinating response. It's a reminder of the intricate connections that exist between our bodies, minds, and experiences, linking us to each other and the world around us in unexpected ways. And so another episode of Science Simplified wraps up, leaving you with a deeper appreciation for the remarkable science driving our everyday experiences. Tune in next time as we delve into another mystery of the human body, further simplifying the science around us. Until then, stay curious and keep each bumptastic moment close to your heart.